Welcome! To access the right features, start by selecting your role as either a trader or a customs agent. From the dashboard, go to Regularity Compliances.
Here, you'll find 12 different regulatory options. For this walkthrough, we'll be focusing on the records for the Chief Inspector of Boilers, Punjab Agency. Currently, this agency records is only available on Import Permit. Tap on Import Permit to open a new page. You'll notice 4 categories to help you organize your workflow: In Queue, Provisionally Approved, Amendment Request, and Authorized Import Permit. You can easily find a specific record using the search bar. If you want to dive deeper, simply tap on any record to view its details. You can now see all the current records specifically for the Chief Inspector of Boilers, Punjab Agency, listed right here. Note that the full detailed view for these specific records is currently in development and will be coming to the mobile app very soon. Stay tuned. If you need to check other agencies, just tap back to return to the main Regulatory Compliances menu and select your next option.